TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. I am gonna try and make this intro super quick because there's a ton of construction going on outside and it's super loud. But we are in Halifax, Nova Scotia right now, and I am here visiting my sister for her little bachelorette shindig. So we are just packing up now and we are on our way out to enjoy a ladies' weekend at the cottage on the lake. I am beyond excited. So if you, oh my God. We going. Just scared the shit out of me.
I knew I was going to. Retake.
So if you love spending some time, I can't even. So if you love the lake and you love beautiful views, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And let's just get this trip started. Happy Bachelorette! Okay, so we are here in our lake house. I'm gonna call it a lake house because, like, let's be real, this is beyond cottage territory. But I'm gonna give you guys a really quick tour of the spot. We're staying with Oversea, which is a company in Halifax that does like downtown rentals and like some luxury cottage rentals like this one. So I'm just gonna show you around. So when you first come in the door on the left, there is this beautiful kitchen. And it's like fully equipped with everything that you need for your stay. And then they also provided us with like a little welcome basket with like bagels and wine and bread. And then in the refrigerator, like they have us fully stocked. Well, not fully stocked, but we got like eggs and bacon and all of that fun stuff. So we're definitely gonna have no shortage of food and drinks for this weekend. Then from the kitchen is this like sitting area, and there's actually two. So there's one with this amazing view right out the front. And then there is also over here is like this super cute little cozy sort of like nook that I'm so excited to get all like snuggled up in with a book. And then if you go upstairs, this is the room that I'm staying in with Taylor. And they have like little cans of Perrier by the bed. Like they go all out. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys like all of the other bedrooms and stuff like that because the other girls are here and I don't wanna like obviously get into their business, but this has 5 bedrooms total. Like it's huge and absolutely beautiful. I know you've seen a little bit so far, but what I'm gonna do now is just jump to a little montage so you can see the rest. Music is my life.
Boombox.
I'm just keeping Taylor company right now while the other girls get the house all set up.
They're decorating some things. I don't know what they're doing, but God love them.
Decorating and
Cooking.
because we have a private chef
Oh
here.
my gosh, which was a surprise, mind you. This is like the bougiest thing ever, and I love it. I will accept all the good food always.
Lake house life.
Lake house life.
So great shot right there.
Ladies, thank you so much for this. This is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Very my vibe, of course. And thank you guys so much for coming. So cheers to this weekend. And cheers to the big nuptials, I guess, too. Yay!
Okay, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out this beautiful lake house here just outside of Halifax in Nova Scotia. I am absolutely loving life. I never want to leave, but I'm gonna let you guys go for now. And in the next video, we will do a little bit more exploring and a little bit more, you know, party time with the girls. We'll be having a great weekend, so I will give you a full recap of all of that fun once it's happened. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go, so be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like travel content. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and hit that like button if you love cottage life. I know I do. And until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next video.